Alright, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to B-Mac and Yachty. And it's your boy B-Mac. And right here is my lovely, beautiful queen.
Yachty.
And today is a amazing day. You know, as you see the sun shining on it. God has been amazing to us. Yeah, today is a special day. We got a new car, y'all. Y'all clap it up for it. God has been amazing, I'm telling you. Because our old car, it was going down, so we had to, get some things situated. That's why we've been busy for a while. We've been doing stuff. We've been here and there. We've been all around. But also, I just want to acknowledge our family. Shout out to you guys for subscribing to the channel. You know, becoming part of B-Mac and Yachty family. Still checking us out, checking out the old videos. You know, I'm watching, you know, I talk to y'all, you know. So I just want to say thank you. We welcome you over. I'm giving you a hug. You might look like I'm giving you a hug. You know, sending you love. Everybody needs to have love. But yeah, you know, we're gonna show y'all a quick review of the. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna just show y'all like a little quick, you know, review of our new car. You know, it's a blessing. But let me tell y'all, I'm telling y'all, I haven't said it to you. I'm gonna say it to you now. Put your faith in God, believe in Him, trust in Him, and everything will work out for you. I'm telling you. Because everywhere we went, what was they saying? Oh, y'all ain't gonna be able to get that. Y'all ain't gonna be able to get that. Y'all ain't gonna get it. Oh yeah, y'all wanna know what kind of car we got? We got the
Yes.
Yeah, take a guess first. We're gonna sit back for a minute.
Has 3 rows.
Yeah, you got 3.
The Mini has 3 rows.
Yeah, you got 3 rows. There's a hint. Alright. 3 rows. We got a moon roof. You know.
Push.
I'm gonna slide that back for you. Look at that.
Look like that. No, you too far.
Oh yeah, there goes the other one. That sun was throwing me off. I was like, and I was going forward, y'all. My fault, y'all. But yeah, you see, you gotta move. You know, we can open it up, but the sun is beaming. Here where we live, the sun beams a lot. So I'm not gonna open that up. But yeah, y'all done guessing?
Yeah, they are.
You wanna tell them? All right, we got a Ford Explorer Limited. I'm telling you, like I've been wanting this car ever since, you know, the first time I seen it in 2011. It's a great SUV. If you got a nice size family, like where you got like 2-3 kids or
3 or 4,
you can get this vehicle. It's smooth, it drives well. But we're gonna show more things in a minute. Right here, you have the radio. See, B-Mac is connected. I stay connected to you all day. Sony, you know, system. We have, you know, we got entertainment.
Ohio
turn it
the
on.
national sports history in
Oh no,
Ohio.
turn it off. Copyright. No copyright from the radio. But push button start.
Oh, the map.
Yeah, navigation. Yes. See, you little test. You know, we just
Climate.
Yeah, climate. You know, it got my temp. It's dual climate, even for the back.
Heated steering wheel.
Yeah, you can see right
Car
there,
involved.
heater wheel seats. It got everything you need. So hold on, let's go on out, show them some more stuff. All right, guys, you can see the front. Got 20-inch rims. See that? Sitting on dubs, huh? What? Then you got the chrome door. You got the chrome door handles. You know, you got chrome on the side. Got some aluminum alloy wheels, 20 inches, like I said. Sitting on 20s, you know. The color is magnetic metallic, so you know, y'all know. You see the Ford bracket, that's all I can show y'all right there. Can't show you the license plate as much. So see, it's a limited. Oh yeah, Yachty's covering it. So you see, got that. We don't, you know, we love y'all, but you know, people be acting weird lately on here. Yeah, you see, showing it all. All right. Yeah, keyless entry. You know, see, the finger on there, it locks like that. Unlocks. Let's go up in here, check it out. You know, you see, this is the second row. Got captain seats. You know, like I said, there's the moon roof, sunroof right there. You got that's the third row. He's in the back. You know, our youngest like to sit back there, do their thing, have fun. The oldest, he likes to sit right there by himself and chill. Oh well. And then it has power lift gate. See it raising up. Oh, you gotta move the
Her booster's the front.
no, it's right there. It's in the back. You gotta move our booster seat. Don't put it right there.
I know, I'm holding
okay.
it.
I'm
holding it.
Cut it out right there. Alright, we're gonna stow it. Fold these first, like that. That's how it works. Yeah, it's kind of loud, so. Then, check it out.
Magical.
Look at that. It folds back.
Ta-da!
Yep, that's how it goes. Y'all, sorry about that. You know, at the end she was showing the outlets and stuff, but you know, we had to cut the video short because we got things we got to do before the kids get out of school. So you know, right now they're in school, so it's just mommy and daddy time. You know, this is, listen, if you have children, all I can say is, you know, it's the best thing. You know, I tell people all the time, kids are God's gift to us all. It's you know, I love our children, but when they're in school, this is your free time. This is when you can get anything done. You can go out. Like right now, we sitting at a park. You know, it's a nice park I used to come to. You know, we sitting here. You know, if I wanted to, I could go hoop. But you know, we got stuff we got to do. Stay tuned to more videos. We got videos coming soon. This car is, you know, my anniversary gift. She got this for our anniversary. Because I got the last car for her, which was a Chevy Equinox. That's
For my birthday.
Well, yeah, it was for her birthday. So I got the car for her birthday. She ended up getting the car for me for our anniversary. You know, how many years?
14.
17?
14. 14 years.
25?
14 years, guys. 14.
14 years, y'all. 14 years and y'all, we still having fun.
14 years ago I was 14. That's weird.
Yeah, we was young.
14 years ago I was 14.
We was young. You know, I was still wet behind the ears at that time. But yeah, I know we getting off subject, but you know, I feel like I wanted to put that out there because people be like, you know, how do y'all do it with 3 kids? We make it work. We do it. I'm telling y'all, God has been amazing to us, and he's putting us in position. Right now, he cracked the door open. It's up to us to get the door fully open. So we're doing things so we can get the door fully open, so that way, you know, it can just flood in. If y'all want, like I said, share this video. Tell everybody you know. Tell a friend. Tell that friend. Tell somebody. Tell everybody. Shoot, like I said, you see somebody sitting there and say, hey man, you know, you heard of B-Mac and Yachty? That's them. But until then, stay tuned for more videos. We back. We're going to be dropping them. I'm going to be more consistent. I'm going to work on that because we was thrown off track. It was some things going on. So now we back. Things is going to be good. So y'all tune in. This is your boy B-Mac. My beautiful queen right here.
Yachty.
And we out. Peace.
This one, Dixie. Dixie got me chillin' on a cool night. You know the kind of night when everything feels right. The kind of night that makes you wanna light a bonfire. Grab a drink with your friends and you'll feel inspired. It's a real good time, ain't no